Hello everyone, I am Archrotta from Jadavpur University History Honours UG1. Today I desire to speak of one of my feelings to you friends, that is on the view of feminism. Now, my feelings regarding feminism is not what that is says nowadays. Means feminism means leaving a chair or seat to a female or to a girl. This does not sense a feeling of feminism to me. What I feel as a feminism is that, see, feminism literally means, if we go to the dictionary, it means that the rights of the female, the rights or the hak of the females, what they desire or what they deserve in a society. But what we conceive as feminism is every every girl is weaker than the boys, and thus she must get all the opportunities, all the things that she or the woman desires. This is not the idea of feminism. What my feelings regarding feminism is that when a female or girl is passing through a tough period of time, he or she generally desire to get the rights which she deserves, and that is why he or she gets on the streets. For example, what is the problem of feminism to us, that we think that this rape culture, this sexual assault, all these things are only related to feminism, and feminist movements just are stuck on the cities, on the mega cities, in the streets of the rich. Neither they touch the ground level, neither they touch the rural level, nor they touch the remote areas. And what about them, those who are residing in the remote areas? Now, are they truly involved in the feminist movement? The answer is no, because if we look at the present feminist movements, my dear friends, we will see that the feminist movement just are commercialized. Now, I am sharing my feelings how it is commercialized. It is commercialized, by the way. For example, when a girl is raped, then the media runs into her house and tries to uphold the feeling that yes, she's tortured, she has faced brutal torture, and her status is this, that. No, why we are moving into the status? The fact is that she has been raped. She has been raped. She can be from a poor family, she can be a rich family. Why we are thinking about the status? Now, what the feminist movement of India has turned up, it has turned up into a mere commercial public gathering, where people speak on the part of feminism and says that every person, every male, every boy is a rapist. This is not feminism. Feminism is when a girl child is crying and she is given a Barbie doll, and her family member says that yes, this is your gift. No, feminism is not this. Feminism is this: when a girl is taught that you should read books, neither toys, nor cars, nor bicycle, nor everything. This is feminism. a, a girl a girl, if she is given sympathy, referring her as a weaker fellow, then this is wrong concept of feminism. This is not feminism. This is a throwing this is like throwing a coin to a beggar. Women are not beggars. They deserve justice. What kind of justice? The rights which have been snatched from them by the upper sections of the society. And thus, feminism means that movement which comes from the lower section of the society, from the marginalized section of the society. the movement which will be led by poor family members or the proletariat people, the proletariat women who truly face the problem, who neither gets the opportunity to bring media to her house and then show the media that yes, we see how are we getting tortured. If we look back at the history, what we have seen the feminist movement as mass participation of women in each and every movement to snatch their rights. This is feminism. Not that feminism where a media runs to a upper class house where a girl has been tortured and the media is silent on an incident when the same thing happens in the house of a proletariat. This is not feminism. This is a simply bourgeois culture. If we look back at the history, what we see that in each and every movement, yes, we all agree with the fact that the upper class women are also tortured. But we should take it as a torture on women, not as a torture on an upper class section of the society. Friends, my feeling regarding the truth of feminism is that it is neither a cultural or a commercialized gathering, but it is that movement when mass participation comes from the marginalized section of the society. Because in that society, the women knows that what struggling is. Because a female from a upper section of the society, from a upper class who is rich, she will get easily availability of 24 into 7 camera, 24 into 7 media. She will get enough political support to withstand her problem or withstand or to overcome her situation. There are many lakhs, crores of people will stand beside her. But what about the poor? What about the deprived? They will abstain from the news. This is feminism. No, this is not feminism. This is merely a show off of feminism, but a clear torture on the women who cannot afford money, who belongs to a weaker section of the society where the husbands who may be a laborer, who may be a peasant, who may be a farmer, returns home with a drunken condition and beats his wife brutally. And when his wife comes in the street with thousands of other women of maybe of upper section of the society, maybe a middle class woman, this is called a proper feminist movement. The feminist movement, if it is to be truly called a feminist movement, then this movement has to be reached in every section of the society. But unfortunately, all over the world, what we can see that the media has got already stuck to only a particular section of society. And we are perceiving it as, yes, the feminist movement of the world. No, this is a wrong notion. Another wrong notion is that the feminist movement which is led by a rich woman, then it is not a feminist movement, because it has to reach to every class of the society. Because women do not only belong to the upper class section of the society. In every class, the women folk, the female are tortured. Not only that, in the upper caste, in Brahmin family, the women are tortured, and the so-called quote-unquote lower caste women are moving freely. No, not this. In every section, women are tortured, and thus from each and every section movement is required. If the movement is stuck only in the upper class section of the society, and that too in the form of media, then it is commercialized, it is marketized. And I would also say that here the feminism is merely sold in the market for getting some sympathy. Feminism is not for sold. Feminism is to do movement and snatch the rights which the male dominated society has snatched from the women. If we look back at the history, what the history tells us, that in the Renaissance period in Europe, the woman had led the movement. Yes, the movement had failed because there was a lack of support from the proletariat, because the movement was led by bourgeois women. I am not referring it as a false movement, but the movement where proletariat support is not there, the movement has no meaning. Because when a movement, maybe a feminist or any movement, is not reaching to every part and parts of the society, then what is the meaning of that movement? How we call a movement? What we call a movement? A movement is that motion which can change the society, which can bring a change in every part and parcel of the society, and thus every marginalized section should participate in that. That is a movement. And if female from a marginal section of society is coming in support of a movement which has been called for the rights of women, that is a feminist movement, because it is averring each and every female who belongs to the middle, as well as in the upper, as well as in the so-called lower class. The Renaissance in Europe, in Britain, during the Industrial Revolution, we have seen. In the USSR movement, in the communist movement of USSR, we have seen millions of women to come out to support in the favor of communism. We have seen in India, in the areas of Naxalbari, in the areas of Tebaga, Telangana, in the 1940s decade, in the 1960s decade, in the 1970s decade. We have seen mass people participation, and thus many of the movements have become successful and have been stored as a golden letters in the history. Why those have been stored? Because they have been able to reach to each and every section of the society, not have been stuck to a particular area of the society, to a particular class of the society, and opening it to be sold in the market. Feminism, when feminism is sold, when feminism is sold in the market, when it is marketized when it sticks to a particular class and does not spread to the other section of the society, where a proletariat woman does not know about her rights. And in Kolkata, in Mumbai, in Delhi, we are seeing lots of feminist movements. And the other sections, the middle class, are totally aware of these movements, of these facts. We will call these as feminist movements? Not at all. These are to attract media and to seek footage, which will be sold in the market, will be commercialized, and by this will a very poor, a very mean, a very narrow perception will come that yes, all men are rapists. This conception has been moving throughout the media. Yes, protests have carried on, but protests haven't reached to that level to stop this kind of perception. This kind of perception has evolved because the true meaning of feminist movement has not reached to the marginalized section of the society. In the words of Marx, what Marx has said, that a revolution is unsuccessful unless and until there is a mass support from the proletariat, from the middle class section of the society, because they are They are the maximum people who are tortured, who are suppressed, who are downtrodden. Unless and until the feminist movement are reaching, my dear friends, to each and every marginal section of the society, the feminist movement is wrong. The feminist movement has turned into a wrong concept. If we see in the case of Renaissance in Europe, in the case of French Revolution, what do we see? That yes, the movement has taken place because the movement has been able to reach to some parts of the society, but ultimately all those have failed. Why? The reason is that the movement has only become successful in the sections of the upper class. The movement, it may be of any issue, of any topic, but if those are led by the upper class women, the movement is called as unsuccessful. Yes, of course, upper class women are also tortured, they are also sexually assaulted, but unless and until I am saying that this movement reaches to each and every female residing in the society, mass participation will not be there, and unless and until mass participation will not be there, women will not get their status, women will not get their ideal positions in the society. The stereotype attitudes will remain in the society. We will continue to have such wrong perception that boys have stone-hearted hearts, and yes, girls can cry because they are weak, they are weaker section. This kind of blood, this kind of stupid phenomena will still exist in the society until and unless we remember the words of the Marx. Thank you, friends. You may think about this topic also, and I think that this video will help us to change the society, not totally, but some kinds of perception may reach to the section of the society who are still willing to take their feet back. Thank you.